3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
In this guide, I'll walk you through fixing the connection failed error in Call of Duty Black Ops 6 on the PS5. First, it's worth noting that if the issue is related to the game servers being down, you'll need to wait until they're back online. However, if the servers are working fine, here's what you can do. Start by going to the PS5 home menu and accessing Settings in the top right corner. From there, go to Network. Just select Settings and choose Set up Internet Connection. If you're using a Wi-Fi connection, highlight your Wi-Fi network, press the Options or Start button on your controller, and select Forget Wi-Fi Network. After waiting a few moments, reconnect by selecting your Wi-Fi network again and re-entering your password. Once it connects to the access point and verifies internet access, exit out and restart. Call of Duty Black Ops 6. The error persists, press the Options button on the game icon. Close it completely and relaunch the game. Assuming the servers are functioning properly, this should resolve the issue. This method has worked reliably for me multiple times, so give it a shot. If this guide helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more solutions.